Hey guys, please make sure you stand till the end. People make one common mistake that will destroy the engine. You will end up rebuilding or replacing it, which can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super helpful video to any of you guys trying to find where the transmission thermostat is located on BMW X3 X4. We'll explain how to get to it, where it's located, what you need to do to replace it. Stay with us, we'll cover that. And if you guys make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs. You may even need the engine rebuild. We'll explain why. If you need to buy any parts, tools, thermostats, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. By the way guys, we're going to show you, we have a video on the channel how to replace the engine thermostat as well. We have three thermostats: transmission, engine and oil cooler thermostat, especially on the V6, on the 6-cylinder straight 6 engine guys. Now let's explain quickly guys, okay, about the transmission thermostat. So on that X3 X4 guys, what we actually did here, we removed the fan to have more room, but actually you don't even need to remove the radiator fan. For any of you looking for how to do that, by the way, we have the video on the channel. We removed the fan because we needed to drain the coolant all the way, because you see that's the engine. You may have a 4 or 6 cylinder engine, it should be the same. That's your transmission cooler, that's attached to the radiator fan. Now guys, I want to show you here something, okay? That cooler, okay, right here now, if you come towards the bottom on that cooler, that's your transmission thermostat. That's where coolant, okay, comes in and out. Now you can see right there, you have on the top and the bottom, you have two transmission lines and you have two coolant lines, right? One coolant line right here, one exiting right there, and one transmission line here, one over there. Now, in order guys to replace that thermostat, you will need to drain the coolant. Then it's important, it's super easy. You just have 2 or 3 bolts, I think, on this side, and this attaches. You need to disconnect, okay, the hose for the transmission. You're going to leak some fluid, hopefully it's not too much, and you always need to make sure you don't mix the coolant with the transmission fluid because you will destroy your transmission. Then you need to guys go ahead and you need to actually, when you put everything together, you need to bleed the cooling system. Don't just add coolant, bleed the cooling system, because otherwise, okay, you may end up having an air pocket in the engine that will prevent coolant to flow freely, and as a result you may overheat and destroy your engine. We will have the video on the channel that will explain how to bleed cooling system on a BMW X3 X4 for any of you looking for that. But if you wanted to know where that thermostat is located, right there guys, for any of you looking for that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.